Okay, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Bentley GT 2019, and on this vehicle what we've installed is what's called the Meta Track S5 Deadlock. So basically you need these tags to be able to start the vehicle. If you don't have these tags with you, you're not able to start the vehicle. So these tags are what immobilizes the vehicle. The system is insurance approved, and it's required for probably most high-end cars. Your insurance company will ask for this system. Then we can install it for you. If you want this system installed on your Bentley, or you got any other vehicle or your insurance company has requested you get this system installed on your car, give us a call on 028 554 5554, or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansil, IG26QA4. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, guys, and like this video. And thank you for watching.